How to delete or uninstall FARLIGHT 84 app from your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're using FARLIGHT 84 and want to remove the app from your Android device, whether you are using a tablet or a smartphone, you can easily uninstall it directly from your device. Firstly, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your Android device, and once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Inside the app list, look for FARLIGHT 84. Tap on it, and once you do that, in the app info section, you will see an uninstall button at the bottom. Click on that. Now in the pop-up, click uninstall, and this will delete the FARLIGHT 84 game from your device. Now the FARLIGHT 84 app icon will disappear from your app drawer. So that's how you easily delete FARLIGHT 84 from your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or a tablet. Uninstalling the app only removes the game from your phone or your device. It does not automatically delete your FARLIGHT 84 account or cancel an existing account deletion request. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.